This 2026 Coachmen Pursuit 27XPS is a Class A RV. It is located in Birch Run, Michigan, 48415 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2026 Coachmen Pursuit 27XPS is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.